Hey there, nature lovers. Welcome back to Nature Creatures Network, your front row seat to the wildest, weirdest, and most wonderful animals on Earth. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon, because every week we bring you a new animal story you won't want to miss. Please enable subtitles for better experience. Let's dive into today's video. Now, picture this. You're walking through a lush, green rainforest when suddenly, bam, you spot a bird with a beak so huge, so colorful, it looks like it came straight out of a cartoon. That, my friend, is the legendary toucan, one of nature's most eye-catching creatures. But that giant beak? It's not just for show. Let's find out what makes the toucan one of the most fascinating birds in the animal kingdom. Toucans are native to the tropical forests of Central and South America. From southern Mexico down to Argentina, you'll find about 40 different species of toucans, all part of the same feathered family, Ramphastidae. But the most famous of them all? The toco toucan, the one with the massive orange beak that practically glows. At first glance, you might think that enormous beak is heavy, but surprise, it's not. It's made of a light, spongy material called keratin, kind of like your fingernails. That makes it strong but super lightweight, so the toucan can carry it around without tipping over. And believe it or not, the toucan's beak isn't just for grabbing fruit, although they're excellent at that. It serves a few amazing purposes. First, it's like a personal air conditioner. The toucan can regulate its body temperature by adjusting the blood flow to its beak. So when the jungle gets too hot, the beak helps cool things down. Second, it's a great tool for feeding. Toucans use their long beaks to reach fruit on branches too skinny to support their weight. They pluck the fruit, toss it into the air, and catch it with style. Nature's own fruit ninja. But that's not all. Toucans also use their beaks to communicate. Those loud croaks, rattles, and barking sounds you hear in the jungle, that's toucans chatting, warning, or just showing off. And yes, they're surprisingly loud for such chill-looking birds. Speaking of food, while toucans are mostly known for their love of fruit, they're actually omnivores. That's right, they'll also snack on insects, small lizards, and even the eggs of other birds when the opportunity strikes. Hey, life in the rainforest is competitive. Toucans are expert climbers, hopping from branch to branch with their zygodactyl feet. That means 2 toes face forward and 2 backward, giving them excellent grip. They spend almost all their time in the trees, rarely coming down to the ground. You'll often see them in small social groups, not quite flocks, but not loners either. They love to groom one another, play, and of course, make plenty of noise. It's like a never-ending tropical gossip session up in the canopy. When it's time to start a family, toucans look for cozy tree hollows, often using old woodpecker holes as ready-made nests. The female lays 2 to 4 eggs, and both parents pitch in to raise the chicks. These babies are born blind and featherless, but with parents like toucans, they're in colorful, capable hands. But the toucan's role in the rainforest isn't just about being pretty and noisy. These birds are seed dispersers. They eat fruit, digest the flesh, and poop out the seeds in different places, helping plants spread and grow. In other words, toucans are gardeners of the jungle. Without them, the forest wouldn't thrive the same way. Now, despite their charm and ecological importance, toucans face serious threats. Deforestation is wiping out their natural habitat. Illegal pet trade captures them for their looks. And climate change is making their world hotter, drier, and harder to survive in. Many toucan species are now listed as near threatened, and some are in decline. Protecting their habitats, the rainforests, is the key to keeping these birds around for generations to come. Let's wrap things up with some wild toucan facts. Did you know their tongue is nearly 6 inches long and shaped like a feather? Or that their beak can grow up to half the length of their body? And here's a fun one. Toucans don't sing. They croak like frogs or sound like rattling bones. Jungle music, anyone? Toucans are one of those animals that remind us just how weird and wonderful nature can be. They're bold, bizarre, beautiful, and absolutely vital to the ecosystems they live in. If this tropical tale made you smile, drop a banana emoji in the comments and tell us, What's your favorite colorful animal in the wild? And hey, if you haven't already, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow wildlife fans. Because here on Nature Creatures Network, we believe every creature has a story worth telling. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time in the wild.